Hi everyone, and welcome to the course Application Testing with Azure DevOps and Visual Studio 2019. My name is Marcel de Vries and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Xperiit in the Netherlands. Application testing is one of those tasks that was traditionally done manually. But this is not fast enough when we apply DevOps practices. We need something that works well with engineering disciplines like continuous integration and continuous deployment. In this course, I will guide you in getting started with the engineering discipline around automated testing using Azure DevOps and Visual Studio. In the first module, our focus is defining a good test strategy for your team. For this, we use the Agile Test pyramid to learn what test we must write. Since most of us do not work in a greenfield project, I will provide you with strategies to move from manual to automated testing. In the second module, I will take a sample project and write tests at the same moment we write our business logic. I will show you how to use the continuous test runner to constantly get feedback while we write code. After we've written our logic and tests, we then integrate them in our CI builds. This way, the whole team gets feedback the moment they commit code to the central Git repository. Next, we dive into writing UI tests. I will show you how to use Selenium to test your web application and integrate this into Azure DevOps, this time in the release pipeline as a final validation to go live. After completing this course, you can define a test strategy for your team. You can use Visual Studio to write unit tests using frameworks like MS-Test, NUnit and XUnit. You will know how to write UI tests using Selenium and how to integrate this with your build and release pipelines, all enabling you to move your software to production multiple times a day. I hope you will join me in this learning journey to make you a better developer and tester with the course Application Testing with Azure DevOps and Visual Studio 2019 here at Pluralsight.